Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Firearm. Firearm means rifle, pistol, or other portable gun. For example, Jones pleaded guilty to possessing a firearm with criminal intent. Jones pleaded guilty to possessing a firearm with criminal intent. Synonyms: gun, weapon.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He is also accused of possessing a firearm and an imitation firearm. Now, repeat after me. He is also accused of possessing a firearm and an imitation firearm. The second exemplar. Officers also recovered a starting pistol with ammunition and 2 imitation firearms. Now, repeat after me. Officers also recovered a starting pistol with ammunition and 2 imitation firearms. The third exemplar. He admitted possessing a firearm with intent to cause fear or violence. Now, repeat after me. He admitted possessing a firearm with intent to cause fear or violence.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word triskaidekaphobia means extreme fear of the number 13. This superstition is related to paraskavidikatriophobia, which means fear of Friday the 13th.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.